Welcome to AAKH. AAKH stands for Asian Art, Keep Heritage. We know that we have 7 continents on our planet Asia: Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Today, we are going to learn about the countries that are located on the largest continent of the planet, which is Asia. Asia is the biggest continent on the Earth. It covers almost 30% of the total land area. It is also the largest continent in the world. With about 60% of all people living there, Asia is the part of the east side of the large landmass. Eurasia, while Europe is on the west side. People argue about where the border is between the two continents. However, according to most geographers, Asia's western border is a line that goes through the Ural Mountains, the Caucasus Mountains, and the Caspian and Black Seas. Asia is surrounded by the Arctic, Pacific, and the Indian Oceans. The continent has 48 countries. Do you know Russia has a major land in Asia? But not many people live there. Due to this, Russia was included in the list. If Russia becomes part of Asia, there will be a total of 49 countries in Asia. Today, let us know about the countries in Asia. The United Nations divides Asia into 5 different sub-regions for statistical purposes. These sub-regions and the countries included in them have been described below: Eastern Asia, Southeastern Asia, Western Asia, Central Asia, and Southern Asia. So let us know which countries lie in these regions of Asia. Let us first know about the eastern countries of Asia. They are China, Japan, Mongolia, North Korea, and South Korea. The Eastern Asia part has almost 1.7 billion people. China is one of the countries with the most people in the world. Mongolia is the least populated country in the eastern region. China has the second largest economy in the world, and Japan has the 3rd rank. Eastern Asia also has a country called North Korea, which is very isolated from the rest of the world. North Korea is a communist country with a struggling economy. The most populated city in the eastern region is Tokyo, which is the capital of Japan. Let us know about the countries in the southeastern region of Asia. There are 11 countries in the southeastern Asia. They are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Timor Leste, Vietnam. The sub-region has around 673 million people. Indonesia is the biggest and the most populated country in Southeast Asia. It is made up of many islands, both large and small. The smallest country in the southeastern Asia is Brunei. The biggest city in the sub-region is Manila, which is also the capital of Philippines. Jakarta and Bangkok are the capital cities of Indonesia and Thailand, respectively, and they are also big cities in Southeast Asia. Moving ahead, let us see the countries of Central Asia. Central Asia is a region that includes countries like Kazakhstan, Kirgistan, Tajikistan, Turkestan, and Uzbekistan. The 5 countries together have 69 million people in total, and Uzbekistan is the most populated among them. The country with the least population in the area is Turkestan, and it has about 6 million people. Central Asia is a place that has a big country called as Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is also the biggest country in that area. Part of its land is thought to be in Europe, but most people in Kazakhstan live in Asia, so the UN says it's an Asian country. Now comes the part about Western Asia. The population of Western Asia is approximately 282 million. There are around 18 countries in the western part of Asia. They are Armenia, Iran, Bahrain, Cyprus, Georgia, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, State of Palestine, Syria, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, Yemen. The most populated country in the sub-region is Turkey. Turkey is a country that is in both Europe and Asia. It has a part in Europe called Istanbul, which is the biggest city in Turkey. Other countries that stretch across the continents in Western Asia are Georgia and Iran. Cyprus is the least crowded country in Western Asia. Even though Cyprus is actually in Asia, it is generally thought of as a European country when it comes to politics and the economy. It is also a member of the European Union. The biggest city in the Western Asia is Baghdad, which is in Iraq. Lastly, let's see the countries in the Southern Asia. Southern Asia has the most people in all of Asia. It has almost 2 billion people and is made up of 9 countries. These countries are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Iran, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. More than half of the people in Southern Asia live in India, which is the most populous country in the sub-region. India is the 2nd most crowded country in the world. Pakistan is the second most populated country in the sub-region. It has over 220 million people living there. The Maldives is a small island country in southern Asia. Mumbai is the most populated city in southern Asia.